Welcome. Today I will show you how to do a hard reset on the Oppo Reno that I have in front of me. And to start off, we will need to power off the device. So let's begin with that. And mind you that this will not work if you have some kind of password set up. So pattern, pin, whatever it is. And you do not know the code to it. So as you will see soon enough. So basically once the device powers off, hold power key and volume down together till you see the Oppo logo. And you can let go now. And from here choose a language. And once you select wipe data, you will need to basically put in the pattern. For me it's a pattern because that's what I have set. And only then you will be able to progress, as you can see. Then choose wipe data. You can also choose that first one, which will keep SMS, contacts and photos. I have none of that here, neither would I want to keep it, so I'll select the second option and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now the device will begin removing all personal data, and it might take a little bit, so just be patient. Once it's finished, you will be greeted by the Android setup screen. So success, and now it's gonna reboot, and this might take a longer time. And as you can see now, it has finished, and you can set up your device. So I'm just gonna go through it fairly quickly. Gonna continue with English. Now mind you, if there was also a Google account, you will be able to either put the pattern like I did previously, or you can use the account to actually log in normally. And as you can see now, the setup is complete and the entire process has just finished. So that is basically how you do a hard reset of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.